It says shake to activate and spray over the desired areas. Wow, my face is like covered with glitter. I like it a lot.
Hello everyone, my name is Shell, also known as Shellanin, and this is Game Glow, an awesome show where you can follow along to create makeup looks based on video games or video game characters. And today, I did a look based on Kirby. Hi! Hey, let's get started!
The first thing I'm gonna do is get this really hot pink, since Kirby's all about pink, and apply this to my eyes. I started my obsession with Kirby very early in my life. I feel like my first game system was a Nintendo 64. The first game that I beat on that game system was Kirby 64. But yeah, I'm just applying this hot pink to my eyelids with this eyeshadow brush. So that just brings it out some more, and making sure it matches on each side. That's always the hardest part of eye makeup. Yep, pink eyeshadow applied.
Okay, next I'm going to go into Winky Lux's Sugar Kitten palette and pick this very light pink titled Cake Batter. So I want to lighten up this hot pink some more. There's a lot of fallout, so you have to be careful. I'm happier with that thanks to Cake Batter and hot pink. Now I'm going to get this super pigmented yellow here and apply it under my eyes. Fill in like the bottom of my eye that hasn't been touched by the gold yet. I'm not gonna go on top. Same thing in between the gold and the pink. Getting some more chai. I'm gonna do both sides because I just want the gold to be like over these eyeshadows. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a cat eye now because a cat eye is just a staple for me. Like, I just don't do like any look without a cat eye. I always start at the bottom corner of my eye and go upward first. Go towards like, not exactly the center, but towards like the edge, somewhere in between the edge and close to the center. And just filling it in. Alright, and that's my eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna go into my makeup bag here and take out this pink eyeliner. Just to add a touch of pink to the bottom. Since Kirby's eyes are blue, I do want to add some blue to my eyes as well. So I'm gonna take this blue mascara and apply it to my bottom eyelashes on each eye. Yep, there we go. I thought it'd be a really cute final touch if I drew stars with this yellow eyeliner here. Yeah, there we go. Right, I'm gonna do another star on top and one under. It's like a little sparkle. And let's do the two small ones. And now I am finally done with my eyes. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my brows. I just take my eyebrow pencil and like go over the top, the corners, and after I'm done like filling it in, I just fluff it out. You can see like there's like a slight difference, just enough difference for me personally. And that's it for my brows. Now we're gonna do lips. So the thing that I really like about Winky Lux is that they are on point with getting the perfect pink for everyone. I'm going to use their Glimmer Balm, and the special thing is that they use pH matching technology to adjust to your skin's most flattering pink. Provides a hint of sparkle. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. It's super pretty. That's so cool. So that's a really nice subtle pink. But since we're doing Kirby, I want it even pinker. From the Winky Lux Mini Disco Kit, I'm gonna take the pink lip gloss for that extra pink boost. Yeah, this is pink. Since Kirby has these bright cheeks, I want to do like a really cute blush look. I'm going to use Winky Lux's Whipped Cream Lip and Cheek, and it's in the color Black Cherry Bourbon. I always smile to see what part I want to start on my cheeks, and yeah, as you can see, it's gonna need to be blended. That's exactly what I had in my mind. Like, this blush is super cute. Yep, and that's it for blush. Now we're gonna do some highlight. I'm gonna use Winky Lux's Shimmer Stick. It contains no plastic glimmer, which is super cool. I'm gonna apply it right smack dab in the middle of my nose bridge. It's a really nice highlight. I'm gonna just use this powder brush again.
I love how bright that is.
I know, like, this is really bright and a lot of glitter, but Winky Lux has another product that I really want to try out. It's called their Glitter Puff, and I have it in Pink Cloud. All right, it says shake to activate and spray over the desired areas.
Wow, my face is like covered with glitter. I like it a lot. I just want like a really cute sparkly look for Kirby. Because when I think of Kirby, I think of the galaxy and the stars. I think that's a good finish. But yeah, speaking of a good finish, we are finally done with the Kirby look. Look at us, we are totally twins. Thank you so much to Winky Lux for sponsoring and sending me all of this awesome makeup that was for this Kirby look. And if you want to recreate this Kirby makeup look at home, make sure you check out the description to buy the awesome Winky Look products that I used today. Make sure to check out other Gamer Glow episodes as well, and comment below on any other video game looks that you'd like to see. Thanks again for watching. Bye!